Human Rights in Estonia. Introduction. Human rights are the pillar of the Estonian society. These are the main rights that apply to everyone who lives or resides in Estonia. Human rights also apply to foreigners and people like tourists, short-term employees, or other temporary residents of Estonia, regardless if they have a residence permit or a visa. Various statistics show that the situation with human rights in the country is constantly improving. In 2022, Estonia ranked 13th according to the Corruption Perception Index, making it one of the least corrupted countries in the world. According to the World Press Freedom Index, Estonia holds the 4th place in media freedom. Furthermore, the satisfaction with the work of the police, which reflects people's perception about the country's legal system, is very high in Estonia. In 2021, 86% of Estonian residents were satisfied with the police's performance. All this is strongly related to the efficient protection of human rights. But how are human rights protected in Estonia? Let's find out. Human rights are protected across the board. For instance, political rights. They are guaranteed in Estonia. Life in the Estonian society is safe. Everyone can participate in public life, for instance by participating in a protest. There are no systematic human rights violations at the state level, a result of the low level of corruption and bureaucracy, transparent governance, and independent court system. Everyone has the right to express their opinion. There are also social rights like privacy or gender equality. Your privacy is fully secured. No one can access personal data by default. If an official or an establishment views or processes someone's data, that individual can always see who, when, and for what purposes accessed their personal data. All data is stored safely in the system, and only a small part of Estonia's data is kept on paper. There is an equal legal and social status for both men and women. In Estonia, women are guaranteed the same rights as men, and both the society and the state are constantly working towards minimizing social inequalities. Both men and women can independently make decisions about their life, who they marry, what education they acquire and where, what profession they choose, with which doctor they register, and much more. Children's rights are also important. Regardless of the origin and economic opportunities, Estonia tries to ensure for all children equal opportunities to thrive in the future. For this, children are provided with free education, social benefits, free breakfasts, and so on. Workers' rights are protected by the labor law that applies to everyone working in the country. For example, all employers must pay at least a minimum wage to all their employees. Moreover, employers must provide everyone with at least a minimum rest and safe working conditions. Labor Inspectorate protects the labor law. You can join labor unions in Estonia to protect your rights. Strikes are permitted. Estonia has freedom of religion. Everyone can practice their religious beliefs without fear of persecution. Everyone has the right to participate in the cultural life as well. Health rights are also guaranteed in Estonia. Everyone has the right to emergency medical care regardless of possessing a health insurance. All Estonian residents have a mandatory sickness insurance, which guarantees them access to free state health care. For more information, you can read the Human Rights Guide explaining all the human rights in Estonia. There's the Estonian Association of Lawyers, which offers free legal aid. Chancellor of Justice in Estonia helps to ensure the protection of fundamental rights and processes cases. The Commissioner for Equal Opportunities directs and advises people on human rights matters.